Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the linking flow. Make sure WhatsApp on your iPhone is updated and your phone is unlocked. Open WhatsApp and tap Settings, then Linked Devices. Once there, choose Link a Device and keep the iPhone screen visible. You'll scan a QR code next. Make sure the device you're linking to displays WhatsApp Web or the desktop QR scanner. You're doing this to authorize a new session. It keeps messages synced without moving your account. Once the QR code is visible on the target device, point your iPhone camera at it from the Link a Device screen. You'll see a green box confirming a successful scan. Tap Continue if prompted. The app will authorize the session and sync recent messages. This may take a few seconds to a minute depending on connection. Make sure to allow any Face ID or passcode requests. That confirms it's you linking the session. If you need multiple devices, repeat the same steps for each. Finalize by checking Settings, Linked Devices to confirm the new device appears and is named correctly. You can rename or log out from here. If messages aren't syncing, make sure both devices have stable network connections, then force close and reopen WhatsApp, or restart the target device and rescan the QR. One key troubleshooting tip. If QR scanning repeatedly fails, toggle camera permission for WhatsApp in iPhone settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.